Hello, and thank you so much for joining us. I'm Terry Gerke with the Kentucky Diabetes Network. We're so excited to be co-hosting this symposium with the Kentucky Diabetes Prevention and Control and also the Kentucky Coordinating Body. If you've made it this far, you're already in the Whova web version app, which is what we're suggesting that you use for watching the content. I'm going to walk you through just a few pieces so you know what tomorrow will look like. Here we go. From your home page, you can see all of our wonderful sponsors listed. Please be sure to visit them and extend our appreciation for their support. When you go to agenda, you will now be able to see the entire agenda. I'm going to fast forward to the presentation that's happening this evening. On the view session, you will see a screen open. Once this is live, you will be able to watch the entire presentation during that screen. Here you can see that I'm presenting, and then you can also see the handouts that are available there. During this time, we will be running polls. So what we're suggesting is that you either do those polls on your phone app, if you've downloaded that, or you do them on the web version, but you right-click on that poll so that it opens in a new window. You can see here that I did not, so it's just going to show me that I want to go back to that path. Once you click on this, so say for instance, you click on the poll. If you've already answered it, all of the items are going to automatically show up there, and that's what you'll be watching as the presenter is doing the polls. You will see all of the answers in live time. When you're finished looking at the poll, you will simply go back to the tab that has got the information. So you can see here now that it's showing me that the scheduled webinar is scheduled to happen on Thursday at 7:45. Let me just show you a few more items. Here is the attendees list where you can message any of the attendees. I'm going to go ahead and click out of that. You can go ahead and message any of the attendees that you would like. Within the community, you're going to find many different things. You can see that many of our vendors have already put up special presentations that they'll be doing during exhibit hours. Remember, for your credentialing, you can only visit the exhibits during non-speaking times, so make sure you're aware of that. They will only be hosting live meetups or their live showcases during those exhibit times. You can also ask any questions that you have of us within the organizer. You can take a look at any of the announcements that we have, article sharing, and share your moments. We hope that you will share your moments during the cooking demonstration and that you'll cook along with us. So make sure as soon as you finish this short presentation that you go to the cooking demonstration and download all of those handouts. The last two pieces that I want to show you are the sponsor section, where you can watch videos of all of the products that are available through them. So we have got our gold sponsors. Thank you so much to AstraZeneca, Novo Nordisk, and Solera Health. Thank you also to our bronze sponsors, United Healthcare, the Kentucky Beef Council, Zealand Pharma, Wise Consumer Products, and Medtronic. We appreciate their support so much. In addition, don't forget to visit all of our exhibitor booths, and if they have a door prize, you will sign up for it within that item. For instance, if we go to Camp Handon and we click on Camp Handon, you are going to be able to learn a lot about Camp Handon through their video. You will be able to meet up with them during live times that they have available, and you can also sign up for their deals and their offers so that you will be in the drawing to win the Camp Handon swag bag. Again, I want to thank you so very much for participating in the 2020 Kentucky Statewide Diabetes Symposium. We will see you soon.